everybody, I'm Benjamin Pauly, the Master Gardener here at the Woodstock Inn Resort. Right now I'm just hanging out with all our seedlings that we have started for the year, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about when you should start your seedlings. And so really you have to figure out when is your last frost date in Vermont. A very, very conservative date is June 1st. Usually the last frost is early May, sometimes mid-May, but June 1st I know, okay, I'm 100% safe, I don't have to worry about things. And one of the things that I've found in my experience is that even if I plant something very early and I'm lucky that we didn't get it frost, a lot of times I'll plant the same thing 3 weeks later, and by the time they actually grow up and are harvestable ages, they're about the same. So whether you're putting those tomatoes in on May 1st or whether you're putting them on the third week of May, there isn't that much different. There only might be a couple day difference. So I always err on putting things in later. The soil warms up, they can get more established. They're just happier plants when it's just warmer out in general. And so just few things that we have started. Beets, most people plant their beets directly, and we do too, but the first round of beets I like to put in as transplants. I just get an extra early harvest. We have some head lettuce here, thyme, some cut flowers. This is a salvia. These little guys, this is our celery. Tomatoes starting here. Again, a lot of people have gigantic pots of tomatoes, and I find that if I put my tomatoes in, they're only 3 to 4 inches tall. They do just as well as the big containers of tomatoes. I got some kale and collards here, which are a little bit big right now, but I can plant those in the garden here in the next several weeks. And then peppers are growing here on the other side. And when you're trying to figure out when you should start your seeds, a really good resource are the seed companies that sell you the seeds. And so I get a lot of my seeds from Johnny's Seeds in Maine and High Moine Seeds in Vermont. And both of them are absolutely fabulous in giving you all the information that you need to know. If I went to Beets and scroll down, it'll have growing requirements, growing information, and it'll tell you when to start them, how long it takes for them to germinate, kind of what size container to typically seed them in, and how long it will be before you can harvest them. So hopefully you are having fun starting off for this season, and look forward to a great year. Thanks.